Even though I am 201 and a half years old, I've got to keep up with these new students, and I am keeping up with them. I eat avocado toast. I go to Swig. And I even game online. Come on. This is not a code blue 1, it's a code 3. Let's go. Oh, you code brown too? What do you think of me now? But my new favorite thing, my most favorite thing is TikTok. All right, people, the 2 fingers TikTok salute. Come on, here, go. Let's floss! Signature dance for Florence Nightingale. Come on, people. Let's floss. You know, sweet cheeks, I got moved like Jacker, and I can do anything you can do.